Kung hindi ka nakikita, wala ka ring sales or income. Wala ka ring customers. Real talk tayo. Kahit gaano ka kagaling, kahit gaano ka ka-talented, kahit gaano kaganda ang produkto mo or serbisyo mo, kung walang nakakakita sa'yo, wala ring papasok na opportunities. Walang client, walang sales, walang income. So today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit ang visibility ay equals income and paano mo magagamit ito sa sarili mong journey. Hi, I'm Sally. Before I became an entrepreneur, I was a nurse. Night shifts, overtime, pagod, kulang sa tulog. Now I was able to create multiple businesses by creating content online. And after so many years doing it, I realized one thing. Hindi enough na may alam ka. Hindi enough na magaling ka. Kailangan makita ka ng tao. That's when doors started opening for me. Why visibility equals income? Let me explain bakit super important ang visibility. People don't pay the best. They pay the most visible. Perfect example is McDonald's. They don't have the best burgers, pero sila ang laging visible. Same thing with Nike or Adidas. Hindi sila laging best quality, pero dahil visible sila, nakikita sa athletes, commercials, billboards, sila ang binabayaran. Now, sa personal level, kung freelancer ka or business owner or kahit content creator lang, kung tahimik ka lang, kung hindi ka nagpapakita online, mahirap kang makita as the go-to person. Ito yung trap ng marami. Naghihintay silang ma-discover. But life doesn't work that way. Hindi ito American Idol na may scout na lalapit. Ikaw ang dapat magpakita. Ikaw ang dapat maging visible. Let me give you something real. Nung una akong nag-upload ng video dun sa isang channel ko dati, konting views lang yun nung una. Akala ko fail. Pero after a few days and after posting consistently, dumami na ng dumami hanggang umabot na ng 100,000 subscribers. Pero, bago pa nag 100,000 subscribers yun, kumikita na siya. Kaya ito yung mindset shift. Number 1, you don't need millions of views right away. You just need the right person to see you. And that only happens if you are visible. Even if konti lang ang views, basta nakikita ka consistently, you're opening the right doors. Pero ito ang tanong, bakit ang dami pa rin hindi nagpapakita? Here are 3 common excuses I hear. Number 1, wala pa akong magandang camera or setup. Guess what? I started with just my phone. What matters is the message, not the phone. Okay, number 2, hindi pa ako ready. The truth is, you will never feel ready. Never. You will learn as you go. Number 3, nakakahiya. Pero, think about this. Mas nakakahiya ba na wala kang opportunity kasi natakot ka? Or, mas nakakahiya na nag-take ka ng chance at natuto ka along the way? The only way to overcome this is action. Post kahit hindi perfect. Dahil habang hindi ka nagpapakita, someone else out there is showing up and getting paid instead of you. So, now let's get more practical. Paano ba maging visible in a way that actually pays off? Number 1, show up consistently. Kahit 1 or 2 or 3 minutes lang yan per day. Ang consistency ang magdadala ng trust, not perfection. Number 2, share value, not just promos. If every post is buy this, buy that, people will scroll past. Pero kung nagtuturo ka, nag-i-inspire ka, nag-share ka ng story, people will follow you because they feel connected. Number 3, repurpose your content. One video can turn into multiple posts. Halimbawa, isang 5-minute video, cut it into reels, shorts, quotes, even blog. The more doors you open, the more chances people will see you. Number 4, engage. Don't just broadcast. Don't just post and forget. Visibility is not just about posting, it's about connecting. Reply ka sa mga comments, say hi ka sa DMs, show them that you are human. The formula is simple. Visibility plus value equals trust, and trust equals income. Very simple, di ba? So ito ang dapat tatandaan mo. Be seen, get paid. Kung nagtatago ka, wala kang kikitain. Pero kung nagpapakita ka consistently, people will trust you, and when trust is built, income follows. Now that you know visibility equals income, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss my next video where I'll share exactly how I turn one piece of content into multiple income opportunities. And if this video helped you, let me know by clicking that like button. I'll see you in my next video.